Title: The Journey of Learning the English Language. Introduction. The English language, often regarded as a global lingua franca, plays a pivotal role in communication, commerce, and culture worldwide. Learning English has become a crucial skill for individuals seeking to engage with a global audience, pursue educational opportunities, and access a wealth of information and resources. This essay explores the significance of learning the English language, the challenges learners may encounter, and strategies for effective language acquisition. The significance of learning English. 1. Global communication. English serves as a bridge between people of diverse linguistic backgrounds. Proficiency in English allows individuals to communicate with others from different countries and cultures, facilitating international relationships and understanding. 2. Education. Many prestigious universities and institutions around the world offer courses and programs taught in English. Learning the language is often a prerequisite for international students aspiring to study abroad, ensuring they can access top-notch education. 3. Career opportunities. In the global job market, English proficiency is a highly sought-after skill. It opens doors to job opportunities, enhances employability, and increases the potential for career growth, especially in multinational corporations. 4. Access to information. English is the primary language of the Internet and a vast majority of academic publications. Learning English grants individuals access to a wealth of information, research, and resources that can aid personal and professional development. Challenges in learning English. 1. Pronunciation and accent. English pronunciation can be tricky due to its diverse regional accents and dialects. Learners may struggle to attain clarity and fluency in spoken English. 2. Vocabulary. English boasts a vast vocabulary, with a multitude of synonyms and idiomatic expressions. Building a strong vocabulary can be challenging, and learners often find themselves overwhelmed. 3. Grammar rules. English grammar rules can be intricate and inconsistent, posing difficulties for learners, especially those whose native languages have different grammatical structures. 4. Cultural nuances. Understanding the cultural nuances of English can be challenging, as it influences not only language but also social interactions and communication styles. Strategies for effective language acquisition. 1. Immersion. Immersing oneself in an English-speaking environment, either by living in an English-speaking country or by engaging in immersive language programs, can significantly accelerate language learning. 2. Language courses. Enrolling in English language courses, whether in person or online, provides structured learning, guidance from instructors, and opportunities for practice. 3. Vocabulary building. Consistent vocabulary practice through flashcards, word games, and reading English literature can expand a learner's lexicon. 4. Conversation practice. Engaging in regular conversations with native speakers or language partners helps improve spoken fluency and comprehension. 5. Cultural awareness. Learning about English-speaking cultures and their customs can enhance one's ability to navigate cultural nuances and communicate effectively. Conclusion. In a globalized world, learning the English language is a valuable endeavor that offers numerous benefits, from enhanced communication to expanded educational and career opportunities. While it may present challenges, these can be overcome through dedication, practice, and effective learning strategies. Ultimately, the journey of learning English is a rewarding experience that opens doors to a world of possibilities and connections.